love me, feel so numb, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride, 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 ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wig color transformation. I recently received this unit from YWigs and I love the hair itself. I love the wig. I was just not a fan of this color. This brassy blondish color just was not working on my skin complexion, and I have seen it work on some complexions, but I, however, cannot pull it off. So I did change colors. I initially wanted to do like a balayage into brown, but I forgot the Wella toner at checkout, so it's still sitting at Sally's and I didn't have it until I started filming. I was like, oh, well, we can't do that. So we had a little change of plans. You'll see that in the video. But if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So first, let's get into the box itself from YWigs. Like I said, I've got all the information linked in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. Inside the box, you will get 2 wig caps. You'll also get this little card talking about the return and exchange policy if you do want to return your wig, if you are not a fan of it. You'll also get an elastic band if you do want to sew that into your wig itself. It doesn't come with it sewn in already, so if you guys would want that, you're gonna have to sew it in yourself. And then they also threw in this really cute baby hair scarf. It's satin, it's soft, and it's great for laying your baby hairs down after you style them. So getting into the wig itself, as you can see, this two-toned color is just not working for me. It's a little too Yorkshire Terrier for me, and I've seen people rock this before and it actually looks good on them, but on my skin tone it's just not, I'm not feeling it. So I was like, let's change it. And then you can see how it's kind of got this blonde into the kind of brassy tones into the dark brown. As for inside the cap, you do get 3 combs at the top, 1 in the back, along with your adjustable straps. Like I said, a elastic band is not sewn in there, so if you do want one, you're going to have to sew it in yourself. Now I really like how this wig fits on my head, and like I said, I love the hair itself, but this color, girl, So change of plans, we're just going darker instead. I did get the Salon Care 20 volume developer. I got some gloves. I got a brush to paint it on. And the color I'll be using today is the Permanent Light Intense Brown from Ion. So first things first, I just mixed the cream color and 20 volume developer together in this big bowl. I also straightened the unit because, as you could see, it was curly before, and I think it's easier, obviously, to apply color when the hair is straightened. So I did go in and just straighten the parts that I was going to dye, and then I just got to it. Now, it got real ratchet real quick because I realized I threw away my mannequin head and I didn't buy another one, so it's sitting on top of my phone tripod. Yeah, you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So I used my brush to paint this color all over the brassy toned areas. Thankfully, it wasn't the full head that needed coloring. It was just like 2 strands at the top and then the bottom of the rest of the hair. So it actually wasn't that much that I had to dye, but I just wanted to make sure I got it even and everything through there. So I did use my comb to comb through it, and then the brush again on top just to make sure we got it all saturated. All right. So I leave that in for about 35 minutes and I went to do, I don't know what I was doing. I think I was just watching music videos, honestly, for 35 minutes. So as you can see, the color is now darker. It is more of like a chocolatey brown, as you can see now, as opposed to that straight up gold color it was before. And first I just went through and straightened all of the hair, which is what you will see now. And the hair, I'm mad I didn't get this on camera, but it reached like kind of towards my belly button area. It was actually pretty long, but I didn't want the hair that long, so I did go in and trim the hair so it was more at a boob length instead, which I actually really liked. I did add a few curls and stuff to it, and that is pretty much it. I wish I got more clips in the sun, but I just love the way this brown is hitting. Yes, girl. Yeah, I actually really like how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, I will have all of YWigs links in the description box below, so be sure to check them out if you guys want to purchase a unit. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.